2006 Toyota RAV4, one owner, 76,000 miles, with third row seats. Very rare to find a RAV4 with third row seats. In like new condition, like I said, one owner, no accidents, all original. If you hear wind noise, I apologize. You will be hard pressed to find a door ding, a rock chip, or a scratch on this vehicle. Fully serviced, no mechanical issues. Perfect vehicle for student. Beige cloth seats are like new, never smoked in. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. All sets of keys. There's the Carfax report. Sorry about that. I'm trying to lift this. Oh, I gotta go to the other side. My fault. As I told you, it has third row seats, so there's the rear cargo. Everything folds down. Third row seats. Tires are like new. (2006) Toyota RAV4 with third row seating, one owner, 76,000 miles.